This is your on-the-road AI guy. So what is this channel about? If you're short on time but need the latest AI updates, you're in the right place. We will be discussing about getting things done with AI. AI is transforming how we get things done. From streamlining your daily tasks to supercharging your productivity, AI tools like ChatGPT and Copilot are your new best friends. Imagine automating routine tasks, managing projects effortlessly, and having a virtual assistant that never sleeps. AI is making it all possible, and it's happening right now. Run a business? Then you most certainly will want to be using AI in marketing. AI is changing the game, making digital marketing smarter and more personalized. Whether you're a marketer or a business owner, tools like AI-driven analytics and customer engagement platforms are helping you connect with your audience like never before. Stay competitive by tapping into these innovations. Expect a lot of content around the topic of AI and marketing. Always be in the know about what the LLMs are up to. Now let's spotlight the giants of AI, large language models. We're talking about ChatGPT, Claude AI, Gemini, Copilot, and Perplexity. These models are revolutionizing everything from customer service to content creation. Want to know the latest updates and how they can work for you? Stick around because we're covering it all. New tools and trends are happening daily now with AI. The AI industry never stands still, and neither should you. We're constantly seeing new tools and trends that could be the next big thing. Whether it's AI for data analysis, automating social media, or even breakthroughs in healthcare, you'll get the first look right here. If it's trending in AI, we've got it covered. Industry changes and insights are breaking daily. Finally, let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. AI isn't just about cool new tools, it's about the massive shifts happening in the industry. From changes in AI regulations to the ethical dilemmas of AI, these are the stories shaping the future of work, innovation, and society. You don't want to miss these insights. And that's a quick overview of what On the Road AI Guy channel is going to be about. Please like, share, and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, turn on notifications so you never miss an update, because they will be just like the Fast and the Furious. Let's stay ahead of the AI curve together. See you in the next video.